Hey boss, how are you doing today? So in this video we will show how to install Apower Mirror for your MacBook if you cannot find it like me. When I was looking in the App Store and I was typing the Apower Mirror, and because my macOS version is pretty much it's not the new one, it's not the brand new one. I wouldn't say it's obsolete. It's a Mac Sierra. It's a Mac Sierra point 10, I guess. But anyway, so even though you don't see it here in the App Store for MacBook, you should go online. You should go to the apowersoft.com/font-mirror and press this button Mac, and then you'll have this package which you show in Finder, and then you should unpack this archive. You will be guided through the steps necessary to install this software. Introduction, continue. So there's a kind of agreement. You're gonna read all this stuff, then press continue. To continue installing the software, you must agree to the terms of the software license agreement. So read license, disagree, agree, disagree, agree. Okay, change installation location. This will take 159 megabytes of space on your computer. Click install to perform a standard installation of this software to the disk, Macintosh HD. So you can change where is it going to install, but I guess I install it here. It's like I have 65 gigabyte available in my hard drive. Press install button. So then press the password and press the install software. And now it's installed. The installation was successful. Close. Do you want to move the Apower Mirror installer to the trash? No, I will keep it. It's a good application that I should keep it. So Apower Mirror, guest, free account, VIP account. Okay, let's sign up for the free account. Let's sign with the Google. Let's sign with the Google. SSMS. Yes. What next? Tell me what next. I finally installed this stuff, right? I finally installed this. So that's good. Anyway, at least we installed this stuff somehow. Somehow we installed this app, and now we can switch it off. Thank you folks for watching. This is how we install Apower Mirror on the iPhone and the macOS simultaneously.